Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform initial setup on LG Gram without a Microsoft account. So first of all, do not connect to the network even if you have the ability to do so. If you are already connected to some Wi-Fi network, then just either turn off the router that you are connected to, or just leave the area to the place where the signal of the router is unreachable. And if you have the Ethernet or some internet cable plugged into your PC, then unplug it. Then once you do so, use the combination of Windows and of Shift and F10 buttons. Then press Alt Tab, combination of keys, and switch to the to this window. Now, in this window, you're gonna have to input the following command, which is OOBE \bypass and a row. Then press enter and wait until your laptop is restarted. And once the laptop is restarted, you can go through the setup. Now, if you cannot use your touchpad during the setup and you don't have an external mouse to connect to your computer, you can do it all using just your keyboard. So first of all, select the right country or region, navigating with up and down arrow keys and selecting with enter. Then select the right keyboard layout for your PC, and if you want to add another keyboard layout, you have to press tab several times until you hit the add layout option on the screen. Otherwise, just press enter to skip. Now, instead of connecting to a network, select I don't have internet option by pressing the tab button either once or several times until the I don't have internet option is selected, and press enter. Now provide your local username and press enter. You can create a password if you want to right now, but it's not necessary, so you can always do this later in settings. I'm just gonna press enter to skip. Then select some privacy settings for your device, like location, which lets you know things like directions, weather, local news, etc. Find my device feature, which lets you find your laptop easily in case it gets lost or stolen. Diagnostic data, if in case you want to send your device usage data to Microsoft for research. If you want to disable this feature, you either have to press one of the arrow keys or space bar. Yeah, besides, I'm not sure if I mentioned, you can navigate between these toggles using the tab key. Now, inking and typing, it's the data, sending the data to Microsoft about your keyboard usage, and tailored experience is basically personalized ads. So just select which ones you need for yourself, then press tab several more times, select accept, and then just wait until the setup is finished. And now the setup process is finished, so you can start using your PC from now on. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.